Hello and welcome back. Alright, this is the last data analysis process that we are going to go through, and it's called CRISP-DM. So what does the acronym CRISP-DM actually stands for? CRISP-DM stands for Cross-Industry Process for Data Mining. CRISP-DM is very popular and well-defined, well-structured, and well-proven process for machine learning, data mining, and business intelligence projects. Well, this is not me telling you this, but according to a poll that was conducted in 2007 and once again in 2014 by KD Nuggets, seems to confirm that CRISP-DM has a larger adoption of around 43% as compared to other data analysis processes or perhaps methodologies. If there is a data analysis process that you need to learn in great detail after taking this course, it would have to be CRISP-DM. The reason why CRISP-DM is widely adopted is that it has proven itself as the most practical approach to solving business problems. And what makes it practical is that it follows the same principles that were practiced since the inception of business intelligence from the late 80s till today. So let's unpack the 6 major phases of CRISP-DM. The main objective of the first phase is to understand business scenarios and requirements for designing data analytics goals and produce an initial plan. It's actually quite common in data analytics projects to start with an end in mind and thereafter commit to an actual plan for a data analysis process to unfold and then deliver the required data analytics. So before you have an end in mind, you need to understand the business first. And the next phase is data understanding. The main objective here is to understand the data and how it is collected. The data collection process will involve data quality checks, basically to examine the data for any defects and completeness, and also to gain a deeper understanding. Alright, so the next step is to prepare the data for data analysis. This will now involve the handling of missing values, outlier detection, and normalizing the data. Oh, by the way, normalizing the data in simple terms is the process of removing or perhaps reducing redundancy. This actually means that information is stored only once and clearly demarcated and organized. Perhaps the next phase, which is modeling, is the most exciting phase, and this is where data analysts or scientists get to design a data analysis model for prediction purposes as explained previously. The data analyst or scientists needs to decide on modeling techniques and develop the model based on the data. So once the model has been developed, the next phase is to assess and evaluate the performance of the model outcomes. There are quite a number of model evaluation measures that can be applied, such as R-square for regression, mean square error or MSE, and the other is mean absolute error or just MAE. So once again, don't worry too much about this jargon at this stage. We will unpack some of these measurements matrices at a later stage. The key thing to understand is that you need to measure the success or failures of your predictive model. And the last stage is deployment of the model. So once you have proven that your model is successful, and then it makes sense to deploy the model to a production environment for automation and constant evaluation for the business to make informed decisions. Alright, we have gone through quite a number of data analysis processes, and to be honest with you, I have kept the information at a basic level. Studying each data analysis process model in great detail will probably require its own practical course altogether. However, it was still important to get a good overview of the available data analysis processes that you find in business, because everything that you do in business has a context and a process behind it. I have also attached a document that you can go through for your own bedtime reading to reinforce what you have learned concerning the available data analysis processes. Alright, let's meet again in the next lesson to compare data analysis and data science, because things can get quite blurry quite fast. So, I will see you on the next one. Goodbye.